Most woodworkers waste hours trying to measure perfectly with a tape measure, but there's a hidden trick professionals use to get flawless cuts almost instantly. Instead of measuring a complicated fraction like 17 and 5/8 inches, simply angle your tape across the board until it lands on an easy number like 18 inches. Now divide that easy number by however many sections you need and mark them straight down the board. Because the tape is angled, those marks become perfectly spaced segments without doing any difficult math. When you square those marks across the board, every piece will be perfectly equal, even though you never measured the real fractions. This simple geometry trick is secretly used in professional cabinet shops to divide panels, shelves, and drawer fronts in seconds. It works because the angled tape creates proportional spacing, turning complicated measurements into simple visual alignment. Once you try this tape trick, you'll never struggle with awkward fractions in woodworking again.